Yeah. Yeah. No, I don't look bad at all. I wish it was like a blue color that matched it though. Yeah. I'm sure there is, but that probably costs dumb money. So you down to ride you know those roads? It's like there's a golf course?
Yeah, way back there in the back, Christian Village and shit.
Yeah. You wanna ride through there? Fuck yeah. Do you know how to get to that one place where it's like the fucking overlook or whatever? Like you fucking go there and it's fucking...
minute, but I got an idea.
No, I don't have them. I do. I think they're at my trailer in Denver City, or it's in Midland now. Yeah. But yeah, it took so long to get this fucking camera situated. No, the mic. I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working, but it takes a 3.5 adapter. Yeah. It looks no different than in size. There's just an extra bar on it. And that's what makes the fucking whole difference in the world. Yeah, I got about an hour and a half of fucking battery life. This bitch was charging all day, dude. Oh no, I can turn it on and off easy. It's just a button. I just wanted to get a couple shots of leaving the house. You can put them all together with some music, some good copyrighted music. I think that's how it works. I don't know. Okay, it don't matter to me. I would say I'm only missing 2 bars. Yeah. Oh! You must not know about me, you must... Is that what you're singing? Oh! Old people? Oh, up here. I was saying the old people? Got pulling the clutch a little bit, make your RPMs go a little higher, make it seem like you're going a lot faster. Why do you say that? I always saw a lot of girls that want to ride. Oh yeah. There's a lot of them. No, bikes are definitely something you get to impress other dudes. They're not for girls at all. Is your aunt a dime piece? Yeah, I know, you fucking faggot. I don't know. No, he's the only one. Taking this right here. Oh, you're so cool. Fucking ugly ass Ford. Yeah, he had a canoe. I was wondering what was going on. I was like, is this guy like, does he think we're cool or what? I guess he thinks we're cool. Because I would have definitely taken his mirror out, yeah. Take this light. I don't know what he's trying to say. He's not very fast though. I was in second gear just like wah with one hand. No, we can go right here. I don't know. Bah! He's going backwards. We might have to whoop this dude's ass. Yeah, pulling up here. Oh, he's not. Here, come follow me. He went into Lowe's. No, I thought we were going to him. What's up, dude? Fucking race life, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
I ride a bike myself.
Oh, you do? What kind of bike you got?
I got 310R.
Oh, 310R? Oh, shit. Fuck yeah. No,
Damn, HUK performance, how you doing?
no, we thought you were mad for a second.
Huh?
What is, did you spin your tires or did you slam on your brakes when you were behind us?
I was trying to I was spinning my tires.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah.
Messing around with y'all. I was mad.
Yeah.
There ain't no, I don't know why people get mad at bikes. pisses us off. Oh yeah. I'm not trying to.
Oh yeah.
Cause any trouble.
No, you're cool, man. All right.
Y'all stay safe.
You too, man. Yeah, I thought we were about to have to whoop some ass, and whenever we pulled up, dude, he was smiling from ear to ear. Yeah. He was smiling from ear to ear, dude, and I was like, okay, never mind. Look at Granddad. Take a peek under that. Taking a left right here. Good idea. No, I wasn't paying attention. It's good for the tires. He said a 3X10R. Sounds fast. It's 1,000 cc. Oh my god, this is fucking dope. Why didn't we do this sooner? Yeah, I know, bro. I had my hands on the brakes, dude. I was like, oh shit. This is just beautiful. Huh. And you can, you know, do you know what I'm talking about? Where you can like look over like a fucking lake or a river or something. It's like on every bitch's story ever. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean. Oh, for real? No, never mind. This is an off-road motherfucker right here, dude. There's some off-road bikes. You're like, fucking shut the fuck up. Yeah, I think my nuts absorb most of the energy from the bumps. Here a little more. I'm about to hit this bitch going in nude ski. Oh. Sketch right there. Hello, Heine. I know. Oh, I see a little light skin Juan. I don't know if I want to go down in the water. Yeah, I like that Heine. Yeah, I know. And T-boned. There's a parked car right here. There's just trails down there. Oh, I like it. Oh, yes, see it. Cool. Oh, those rocks right there?